Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. How many of you are a fan of DIY face packs just like me? If the answer is yes, then this video is definitely for all of you. Today I am going to teach you how to make a magical ubtan face pack that can work as a magic for your skin, and it's a complete wonder. You know what? Besan ubtan face pack is just like another desi nuska which has been passed from generations to generations, from my grandmother to my mother and from my mother to me. And today I am going to share this nuska with all of you. One thing I can assure you that this face pack is suitable for all the skin types and for all the skin tones. The skin can be oily, dry, or it can be a combination skin, but this face pack is suitable for each and every skin type. Before I start how to make this face pack, I would like to share some of the benefits of this face pack. The first and the foremost benefit is that the Besan, it has antibacterial properties and it cleans our skin from deep within. It removes all the toxins. That's why this face pack is used in all the weddings to give that glow to the bride and the groom in their wedding. This face pack helps you look fair. It cleans your skin as it has certain skin lightening ingredients within it, such as turmeric, sandalwood, and on. As we are going to use milk in this face pack, it's very good for your dull and dry skin, as it revives your skin and makes you look more younger, more youthful, and it gives it another glow effect to your face. This ubtan face pack reduces blemishes on your skin, such as your acne marks, post-pimple marks, and some of the dark spots also. We are going to use the chandan powder or the sandalwood powder, you can say. It gives it tightens the pore of your skin and it makes your skin look more radiant, more glowy. So these are some of the benefits of applying this face pack. For better results, I would suggest that you use this face pack twice or thrice in a week. So now let's begin how to make this face pack. First of all, I am going to share that what are the key ingredients required to make this face pack. The first ingredient required to make this face pack is honey. The second one is your chandan powder or the sandalwood powder. The third is rose water. If you have a sensitive skin just like me, you can add rose water in it. And if you have a dry skin or oily skin but don't have a sensitive skin, then you can definitely skip this one. Then how can we forget a pinch of turmeric adding in it? And our key ingredient, the king of this face pack, that is a chickpea flour, that is a besan. So let's begin making this face pack. First of all, I am going to add 2 spoons of besan in it. Then I am going to add turmeric. You have to add just a bit of turmeric inside it. Then I am adding some chandan powder inside it. It gives a cooling effect to our skin. Then I am going to add some milk inside it. Now I am going to add some of the rose water in it. At the end, I am going to add 1 spoon of honey inside it. mix all these ingredients and make sure that the consistency is not too thick and it's not too thin. I'm adding some more milk in it. And going to gently stir all these ingredients. And our ubtan face pack is ready to apply. Now I'm going to apply this face pack on my face, and I'm going to apply this face pack with the help of this brush. Now I will wait for 15 minutes and let it dry. As my face pack is dry now I'm going to wash my face in a circular motion. I have washed off my face and I am feeling so refreshed. Seriously, I am feeling so refreshed. Now I am going to apply some of the moisturizer on my face. Applying moisturizer hydrates my skin and my skin becomes more healthy. So this was all about the Besan ubtan face pack. You also try this face pack at home and let me know how you felt about this face pack in the comment section below. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more such notifications. Till then, bye bye, take care.